Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Bobby Land and this is Witness Riders. Guys, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. It helps us YouTubers out. Guys, this video right here, this is the video where I'm going to be giving away this watch. I'm going to go ahead and throw in a keychain and give you guys a sticker too. That way you get a little bit there to represent the channel. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So I've got my channel brought up right here. You see, I'm going to go ahead and let me click on this video here. And we're gonna pause that, and then we're gonna come up here and we're gonna copy the link. So we're gonna copy that. Then we're gonna come over here to the random picker website. Let's load the comments. All right, guys, you see there's the 100 sub video. Let's randomly pick a winner. See who we get. Adam Raper. All right, guys, Adam Raper. So he says if I get picked, give the watch to another subscriber. All righty. Well, let me, all right, Adam, I'm gonna honor your wishes here, and let's click it again, see what happens. Billy B, you are the new winner, or you are the winner, I guess, now, since Adam had put in his comment to give it to another subscriber. So Billy, if you don't mind, if you would go to the about and then, check the robot thing or whatever to get my email address to email me your information, so that I can actually get you the watch, the keychain, and the sticker. Well, guys, I appreciate you watching my videos. And until the next video, we look forward to you riding with us.
Dum